how to transfer money from Binance wallet to bank account. So in this video, I'll show you step by step whether it is possible to transfer money from Binance wallet to bank account. So let's start. First off, after you open up your Binance app like this, go to the Binance wallet. After you go to the wallet section, so now you go to this option, assets. After you go to the asset section, so now you click on this send button, this one. So after you click on the send button, so if there is option for your bank account, you'll be able to see the option. So for this video, as you can see now, for now, the Binance doesn't allow you to send your money directly into your bank account from the Binance wallet. So the only option you have now, you can transfer the money into your Binance exchanger, or you can send your money, that's your asset, into another wallet. But you cannot be able to send the money. You can't send the money into another exchanger. And that's it, guys. As you can see now, here is option. So you only have now two options: transfer to Binance exchanger and send to wallet address. So we hope in future Binance would add the option for you to send your money into bank account. And that's it, guys. Now you cannot send the money into bank account from the wallet. And that's the truth. Hope this video helps. Like, subscribe, or meet in the next one.